Hi, I'm Nelson Drago with Chado Tea Room in Los Angeles on behalf of Expert Village. In this clip, we're going to be talking about Earl Greys. Our fourth Earl Grey would be the Earl Grey Blue Flower, stronger with a mallow flower. Again, a base of nilgiri with mallow flowers in it and a bergamot flavor. Our lighter Earl Grey would be our Earl Grey Green, which has a base of sencha in it. Sencha, which is again a Chinese base, added with bergamot in it. So that's our Earl Grey Green, which can be a self-drinking Earl Grey. And last but not the least, our breakfast Earl Grey, which has a base of Assam and Yunnan together with the bergamot. Stronger, richer, and smoother. And the last one would be the Grand Earl Grey. Also strong, has a base of Chinese black called Keeman with a little bit of white tea together from China called Yinzhen. Excellent with milk or without milk.